Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve storage problem in Gmail. If you are running out of storage in Gmail, it is probably because your Google's account storage is shared across Gmail, Google Drive, and also Google Photos. And here are some steps to free up your space in Gmail and manage your Google storage effectively. So first you can check for your storage usage. You can just go to Google Storage. Just find it in here on the browser. Okay. So you can see which service, Gmail, Drive, or Photos is using the most storage. And you can also try to delete large emails in Gmails. You can use Gmail search feature to find and delete large emails. You can click or go back to your email, type in the search. You can just use this one, has attachment, and then larger than. Okay, like this. You can just tap on enter, and you can just review and delete emails with large attachments. You can see here there are lots of attachment on my Gmail, which has more than 10 megabytes. And then you can also use Gmail Storage Manager. Just visit the Gmail Storage Manager and use the provided tools to identify and delete. You can also clear emails in spam or trash. Here, find it on your Gmail. For example, I'm going to go to spam, and in here you can just select all of this and tap on this delete forever so that you can clear up some space. You can also try to delete all old or unnecessary emails by using the Gmail search in here to find specific emails. For example, you can just delete the emails older than. You can use this keyword 2 year, for example. You can hit on enter, and Gmail will show you the emails from 2 years ago. You can just delete this and click on this delete to confirm. And you can also manage attachment in Google Drive. You can just go to your Google Drive and then sort the files by size and delete large unnecessary files. If needed, you can also use a third-party cleanup tool. You can use tools like Clean Email or Maelstrom to help manage and delete emails in bulk. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.